Today we're going to talk about the difference between heat transfer t-shirts and screen printing. This is a roll of Thermoflex, or a roll of vinyl transfer that's specifically for t-shirts. As you can see, this is a color called Athletic Gold. Now the biggest difference is that we actually cut the design into the vinyl, and then we end up weeding the design where it ends up being like this. Once the design is cut, you have to get a blank t-shirt, and when we put it on there, as you can see, it ends up being an awesome looking one color design. Now this is a recommended process for one or max two colors because the material does tend to have a thickness. You don't want to have something too thick on a t-shirt. So one color, definitely the preference, but we can do two colors as well. But this is the way that it looks, and we have our shirt on our heat press. So let me show you how the process looks. So we place the design where we want it on the t-shirt, and we take this and we press it at 325 degrees for about 20 seconds. Now that the design has been pressed for 20 seconds, we grab the shirt, put it here on the bench, and this is the final result. If you notice, it's a very good one color process. It's washable, and since we are actually cutting the material, it most times will outlast the color of the shirt. The shirt will probably go gray before the design loses any color or cracks, specifically because of the fact that it is ran at 300 plus degrees, so even the dryer won't crack the material. So again, this is a recommended process for one color graphics, maybe even two colors with not that much detail. The simpler the better. So this is Thermoflex or vinyl transfer t-shirt process. Silkscreen. The silkscreening process involves screens per color, which can add to the cost. However, for larger quantities, it is very cost effective. We can create any image, single color or multicolor, with silkscreen. This is the final product for silkscreening, which works very well with one color and more cost effective if you're getting a large quantity of shirts. But this is the difference. If we're doing silkscreen, it allows us to do some shades, some overlays, things of that sort, in multiple colors. Now there is screen charges and other things associated with getting silkscreen shirts, but as you can tell, 2010. It's been about 10 years since this shirt was produced, and it's a very solid print still.